All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at rope 309, continuing our hike, pushing forward 13 miles, I believe, today. Where are we headed to, KB?
15, we're going, well, I think it's 15 forward to Lehigh Gap.
All right. Well, that's the plan today. So we are slack packing today, which is good. So you got a little cute little pack, as you can see. And my pack's almost non-existent. So anyways, we'll see y'all later. We're going to go ahead and get this thing started. Whenever we get somewhere, we'll show you motherfuckers. We're out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the trail looks like. That's what my feet look like. There's KB trucking through the snow. Give you guys a little bit of this as we go. We got some intense shit we're gonna have to do today. 15 miles through this wonderful winter wonderland. As you can see, nobody's been on this trail since the snow dropped. So the trail's not really existent. So anyway, good morning, guys. Glad you guys are here. Glad we can provide you with this footage for those of you guys sitting at home all warm and shit. Anyway, gotta go. All right, everybody. So one of the views on our way to wherever the fuck we're going. You'll have to figure that out for yourself. Hell, I don't even know. All right, but that's one of the views. I'm gonna go. Here's the view. Beautiful, really. It's definitely cold. All right, fuckers. As you can see, not only do we have the PA rocks, but they're covered in this shit disguised as snow. Reality, it's shit. This whole trail is shit. This whole section is shit. This whole day is shit. Everything is shit. I've been complaining. If KB's got to hear it, you got to hear it. How you enjoying yourself today, Cave?
Oh, this is fantastic.
It's outstanding. All right, so we're going to go climb these fucking big giant balls and try to get to the other side. We still got the knife edge coming. This ought to be outstanding. I could die today. So I want you to see my final memories. All right, so as you can see, guys, there's nothing but rocks. And now we got this lovely magic. As you can see in this area, death's a real option. It's on the table. Especially if you're an idiot that likes to record this shit as you're doing it. Oh, falling as it is. Let's watch KB for a while. Let's see. I'll try to follow. It's slick though. Oh no, that's not gonna work. We'll just sit here and watch KB for a sec. All right, so as you see, it goes off that way. Let's go ahead and stop this. Look, now I gotta do this shit. What that is right there is KB setting up his snow toilet. That motherfucker, I'll give him credit. He found himself a shit log in the middle of the snow. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and turn the camera now. What are you doing over there? Pooping. Are you over there having a snack at your shit spot?
Hell yeah.
What better place, huh? You're like this. I got my pack off. I might as well.
That's right.
There we go.
I don't waste energy.
He doesn't waste. Oh, well, almost dropped my shit. Said he doesn't waste energy. Oh. Oh. There's the rock wall. This is what it's looking like up here. Oh shit. As you can see, we're coming up to the knife's edge. You see the blazes up there? So this is not going to be easy, so I don't know how much of the footage of this shit I'm actually going to get. But as you can see, we got to do some climbing. Oh shit. You saw that rock move? So it'll be interesting.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah. You got to give them the goods. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we are on is the knife's edge. This is not easy at this moment. You see, we're up a little bit, but essentially, this is what you have to do. I'm sure it's intensified by snow, so it's not easy. As you can see, one stumble and life can change for you. And trust me, this way is no different. Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, where we're at is called the knife's edge. We just climbed up these mini rocks with holes in them that you can't see because there's snow, as you saw earlier. But there's the view. Look at that shit, man. That's what this is all about. We're gonna climb up there next.
That's right.
So that's pretty much what we're looking at. So essentially what we did was we climbed up that. You gotta watch out though, because as you can see, there's holes where these rocks are. You can't see because of the snow. And one slip up here, you're a fucking goner, I would think. There's KB, but that's what we gotta go. You see the blaze? That blaze looks freshly painted. But anyways, we gotta climb up that. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, we are down the knife's edge, and it was everything that is. It was more than what I thought it would be. As you can see, still boulders everywhere. How you doing over there, man? How'd you feel?
Oh, I feel great.
KB's not a big fan of ambush journalism. But he's got 6 months of this shit coming. Anyway, it kind of looks like a baker thing. Anyway, alright, so this has been a difficult day. I'm sure it's going to be a difficult rest of the day. See y'all in a little bit. Hey, what's up, everybody? We are at Bake Oven Road, whatever it's called, and essentially we're going to go ahead and call it. We didn't know the snow was going to be 6 inches fucking deep, and it is. We had a good time going up. The knife's edge, but it's time to go get some burgers. Just to be honest, if we push forward, we'll be here till 7 p.m. and we are slack packing, so that would be a little foolish. With the temperature and cold the way it is. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and call it, go get something to eat, and we will be back to push forward. Definitely a fun day, but cold and tiring. Only able to go about a mile an hour in this shit with the rocks and the snow, man. So be prepared when you get to PA. You may see the flat ground and you may think you're just going to shoot through the motherfucker. You'll have it easier than me because this shit's filled with ice and snow. But anyway, that's enough rambling. I'm out of here. Y'all be good.